Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a tutorial. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to generate amazing images using Craiyon, an awesome AI tool that's both fun and easy to use. First, go to your browser and type Craiyon AI. Go to the first link that comes. If you have not registered on the Craiyon AI site, register. Okay, here there are many options to generate one image from here, so I will select the photo option. After that, you type a small description about the photo you need to generate. Okay, now click the draw button. We have to wait for a minute until the image is generated. This is how it is. After uploading a photo of your choice from here, we can change the background and size of the image in a lot of other options. This site only generates images for free. If you have any questions about this video, comment. Subscribe us to see more AI working videos like this. See you in the next video.